Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to reset the PV abnormal alarm on the SG33CX and SG50CX-P2 inverters. As you can see, Inverter 4 and Inverter 6 are currently showing a worn run status. Let's go through the steps to clear the alarm. Step 1. Go to Device Monitoring and select Inverter 4, which is showing the worn run status. Step 2. Click on Operation Parameters and look for String Detection Reset. Step 3. Click on the Settings tab to perform the reset, then click Confirm. And that's it. Check under the Real-Time Values tab to confirm if the worn run status has been cleared. You can repeat the same steps for Inverter 6. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Sungrow tips and solar troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.